speak in English and maybe there will be some translation.
Okay. I'm going to speak directly in English, and then if Tito wants to add anything, I'll translate for him. We just wanted to share with you, we guess you have all read or heard about the Spanish Revolution. You know, people are on the streets, they are on the squares in Madrid, in Barcelona, and in more than 50 or 60 towns in Spain. We, I include myself, are asking for a real democracy. I don't know if that's clear enough. We want to be, well, I don't know. It's very heterogeneous, this movement, so I cannot speak on behalf of everyone. But what's being asked is that economical and financial, whatever it's there, who keep on ruling us. But I mean, if we have a democracy and we have politics, it should be them, and not Coca-Cola or Repsol or whoever. But then we could vote Coca-Cola or Repsol instead of voting politicians directly. It's not me saying this. I've heard somebody important saying it. Okay. And that's what we are asking for. Last night in Barcelona, the police went and they tried to get the people out of the Plaça Catalunya where they were meeting. There were over 100 people wounded, hurt, very violent and terrible. And at night, after this happened during the day, and at night there was 3 times more people in the plaza, okay, supporting them. And we wanted to share this with you. And why did we want to share it with them?
Yesterday, my wife and another friends phoned us and speak about this, and they ask that we explain this for you, because this fight is a mondial fight. It's not only a Spanish fight. And the message is that you explain this in your countries and animate your people, young and old people, all the ages, for fight in this problem that you know very well. We are 6 years speaking about this. Okay, okay. No more. If you want more details, this day you can speak, ask us. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.